Nice to meet you. My name is Annelina and welcome to my adventures. So what's going to happen is that I take my campervan and drive from south to north the Finnish winter. And if you want to see what's going on that trip, keep watching the videos and I'll keep you posted.
Before I can get to the road again, I need to activate the campervan in Frankfurt, Germany. It has been there waiting for me during my holiday in Spain, and I'm planning to leave in next 2 days, but let's see how everything works out.
Hello, darling. I hope you have been well. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Open inside my mud pit. And yeah. Welcome to my home. Yep. Make the noise. Thank you, that's the heating. I let it activate. Settle down for a second. Battery is full. Well, it's been 2 weeks. Gaining solar energy, so no worries at that. Oh, why don't I put the lights on? Silly me. Better, huh? Everything seems good. Hello there, Truma D6E. 6 kilowatts. That is quite a lot. You have popped out. It's okay. That's the Truma's first control. I don't have waters inside. I emptied everything, so no worries. I just activated that. Okay. Thank you. Yes, please. And now we wait. Good. That was what I was looking for. Regular startup. And now it is 8 degrees inside, according to the sensor, which is up there. Black one. And I've tested the internet, it works, Wi-Fi, that's very good. I have a 5G antenna on the roof and the Wi-Fi router here. And now it's, well, it was 15 degrees, now it's 14, so it's kind of like in between that. And the temperature is really nicely rising slowly through these vents. So, yep, everything works, no smells, no noises, nothing unusual. So I can get my evening snack and get to sleep. Okay, I noticed yesterday that my car's starter battery is low on voltage. It was 12.8 35, so full battery is 12.6, so I need to recharge or trickle charge, more precisely my starter battery of the Mercedes. So I have installed the trickle charger directly to the battery terminals, which are underneath the driver's floor there. So there's the connection cables going to terminals plus and minus, and the whole device is just placed here in the middle of the cabin. I can move it wherever I want to when I'm driving, and it has a regular 230 volt plug, and I have my inverter on, and I do have the regular 230 plug on here. So easy peasy. Looking at there, selecting the voltage. Well, we are using 12, of course. 24 volts was our previous car. Then selecting the current, maximum current to charge for me and for our electrical system. The 10 amperes is fine, but it normally charges maximum of 5 amperes current, and then we start working. Yep. I assume that this is the voltage. So voltage and amperes, they fluctuate. When other one goes down, other one goes up. And as I see now, it's pretty low voltage and amperes should be higher. Yes, it's 7.1. As I said, normally it reducts it to somewhere around 4 or 5, and the voltage rises near 15 volts as it's going to rise now. So I let this magnificent piece of machinery does its job. It will trickle charge and do some kind of like recovery charging cycles for the lead acid battery on its own, so I don't need to worry about any of the phases and cycles it does, and it will let me know with a green light when it's ready. Normally it takes around, I guess, 3 hours when the battery is this low, but I have time and we will see. I will be hungry soon, so time to activate the fridge / freezer. I have this practical venting system when it's off, so now I put it to active mode so the door stays closed. And yeah, good morning. $80 liters Dometic compressor fridge.
I also prepared the chemical toilet for use. And next, it was time for my least favorite task, filling the freshwater tank without the garden hose. This might be a little funny, but I consider car tires as the most important feature for the road safety. And before every bigger journey, I check the tire pressure, tightness of the nuts, and the surface conditions of the sides and on the surface of the tire. The last task is to test the water system, and then the next adventure can start.